is a purpose-driven organizational development consultant, executive coach, and global head of products at EPR Global.
Keep and take my sister. Stay with it, my brother. Stay in the place of light. Let light continue to guide you. And in the next 1 year and beyond, you will forever say,
you know how some days you don't just feel like documenting anything? I am very exhausted today. I don't know why. I am so exhausted. I'm that exhausted, and I really have not documented, what is happening today. So today is day 2 of the event and the final day of the event, and I'm here taking content. So I'm just trying to at least document something today because I've not just been in the mood. I am exhausted. As you can see my eyes, I didn't sleep well last night. So I'm just trying to get some shots in so you guys know today is day 2, and I will see you probably later. I hope I have much energy tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to see my friend, so I'm hoping, and then I'll eat less food because I overate today. I don't like the way I feel, and yeah, tomorrow I might not just eat, but Ruth will kill me if I don't eat. So but I really don't want to be eating because what is this? I know you guys say I'm not big, but I feel like I am big. Yeah, but anyways, I will see you later. Go!
EPR Global 2026 Abuja!
Hey guys, so this is probably past 10 and I am done. The event has ended and I'm back in the hotel, or rather in the Airbnb, and we're just chilling. So the itinerary is for me tomorrow. I am going to be going to my friend's place. I literally will spend the entire day there. Then but I'm still going to be doing some work there because I have work to do. I'm so excited to see my friend. I cannot wait to see my friend. And then on Monday, my boss is having an Adobe event, so I'm going to be filming her as well. And then on Tuesday we're going to be taking some more content, and then on Wednesday we're flying back home. So that's basically the itinerary. Today is day 2 of my stay in Abuja. I really did not feel like filming today because I was generally very tired. Like I had this crazy fatigue, probably because I did not sleep early last night. I was working, I was editing videos till about probably 2 or 3 a.m. I will not be editing any videos this night. I would try to sleep. I want to take a shower now, and so I can at least catch good sleep tonight, and then tomorrow spend the day with my friend, have a nice time, gist, and just bond, and then come back to work, and then go back to Lagos. Like, I am dreading Lagos because I have so much work to do in Lagos. I have a strategy document to complete. There's something that is coming. I cannot disclose now until it happens, so that is also waiting for me. And yeah, so I'm just excited for the next phase. I really don't know what the next phase holds, but it's promising and there is so much hope. So yeah, this is me trying to get my life back. I have gist for this for you guys, but I'm not going to talk about it now until I am ready to start talking about how my last few months has been. It's been crazy, but God is in control. So I need to go take a shower now. I would see you guys tomorrow. Bye.